What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Missing someone.
Alright, if you're new here, my name is Casey, and right now we are in my apartment kitchen. Crazy. I know it's a different setting, but I'm back at college and it's dinner time. As a college student, now living in an apartment, I have to cook my own food, and I just got some meals from HelloFresh, not spons, I swear, I wish. I decided to, cook with you guys because what a fun video idea, and I want to talk to you guys while I make dinner for myself because all my roommates are not here. So let me just bring you over to where my recipes are so I can show you guys what we are making. So yeah, I am currently in my apartment, and don't worry, an apartment tour will be coming soon. I just kind of ordered a few things for my room that just came in today, and it's not fully done, but I will do one anyway because I'm really excited for it and I want to just show you guys everything. But for today's video, we are just going to be cooking. So the recipe that I want to make today is honey sesame chicken because I'm terrified of this chicken going bad. The other recipe that I got to make a different night this week is carne asada steak bowls. Sounds so good. And this is what I wanted to make today, but I'm just afraid this chicken is gonna go bad, so we're gonna make the chicken first. So let's just pull out our ingredients. I swear I'm not sponsored by them, you guys, but I just think that doing HelloFresh is just so easy because you get all of your ingredients and you can make your dinner right there, and they give you the instructions. So on the other side of this card is the instructions that we'll be going through. But here is what the bag looks like. It says honey sesame chicken labeled right there, so I know. And here's all of our stuff. So let's go through it. Jasmine rice, cornstarch, soy sauce, scallions, honey, white wine vinegar, more honey, broccoli florets, sesame seeds, garlic cloves, more honey, sesame oil, boneless, skinless chicken breast, and a thing of ginger. Let's just get started. Reheat the oven to 425 degrees, so I'm going to do that. Okay, first of all, we need to wash our hands, and we gotta take these rings off, so let's do that. When it comes to doing this, I get like super anal about all my measurements and stuff, and I know I can just like eyeball it, but I'm gonna measure out 1 1/4 cup of water because we have to fill this pot. We're gonna bring this to a boil. And now it's time to mince the garlic, so we're going to do that. I love cooking, you guys. I think it's like literally so fun. I can't wait to like live with my boyfriend and cook meals together. It's just gonna be so fun. It's definitely a pastime of mine, so I definitely love cooking my own meals and stuff. Like I definitely do not mind all of the work that has to be put into it. Like I literally enjoy it, so I don't think it's an issue, but it is an issue trying to figure out what you want to make for dinner, because in my experience, I'm like eating like the same things every night. It gets very repetitive. I'm eating chicken and rice, which is ironic because I'm eating that now, but it's definitely hard trying to figure out what you want to make, but it's definitely not hard making it when you figure out what you do want to make. So I just minced all my garlic. Now the next step is to peel and mince the ginger. Now I'm probably not going to use all of this ginger just because I literally don't even know if I like ginger. I don't usually like having ginger with my sushi, so I don't see why I would necessarily enjoy liking ginger anywhere else, but we'll give it a go. I'm sure I've eaten things with ginger in it before and I just haven't realized. I just don't like eating it alone. So maybe if it's part of the meal, I would like it. Yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to film. I'm planning on doing a few videos for you guys, like getting ready for a college party. Obviously the apartment tour I really want to do for you guys, but if you have any other suggestions, go ahead and let me know. I'm gonna only use that much ginger. And then trim and thinly slice scallions, separating whites from green. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna use necessarily all of this either because it's a lot. So I'm just gonna cut some up. Also, I know that HelloFresh can get like super duper expensive, and I definitely am planning on stopping and not using it the whole time. But I am taking advantage of all the deals that they give you when you first order like your first few boxes, because guys, they're like insane. I got this box for $13, and that's a steal because they're usually $50 a box. You do get like 2 servings per meal, and it's like supposed to be for 2 people, but I don't know, you guys, it's definitely up to you. But after all my deals run out, I'm gonna be switching back to having the same old, you know? So if you have any recipe ideas for your girl, leave them down below. My scallions, garlic, and ginger. So now we are going to cook the rice and start doing the broccoli. With a large drizzle of oil, I'm gonna break some of this broccoli up. Next on our agenda is to do the chicken. Okay, I really don't know if this is normal or not, but I just learned this year that you cannot have any part of the chicken that's raw. Your chicken has to be cooked all the way through and through, which scares me. And I didn't know that because you know how beef you can have like medium, medium rare, whatever you want. Chicken, not like that. We're gonna cook the chicken. Now this might get a little bit sizzly up in here, so we're gonna be careful when you're cooking at home, be careful. I've had experience cooking chicken here, and I know how much it hurts when one of these guys comes at you, so I'm gonna be careful. And our rice is doing pretty good. I think it's about done, so I'm just gonna turn it off and leave it covered. So this should be starting to cook in a little bit. I think it's still heating up. Now it's time to make the sauce. So 1/4 cup of water, chicken's starting to sizzle, cornstarch, honey, and soy sauce until very smooth. I'm assuming we use all 3 of these honeys because they gave us 3, so I'm just gonna do that. That's 1. Two, and 1 more. And then we're gonna add the soy sauce into this. And now we gotta mix it all together. So I'm just gonna take a spoon for that. Literally gonna stir this all together until it's smooth. Yum. So while we are waiting for everything to just cook, it's a good idea to just like clean as you go and put things back. So I'm just gonna put back everything that I use that I don't need and throw away trash pretty much. Ooh, this is what they look like. Now I'm gonna go back to cleaning the dishes. It's not cooked all the way, but the instructions said that it will be cooked all the way in the next step because we're gonna be putting it back onto the pan. Here's everything beautifully cut, and we are just going to put it in the pan. So basically, I'm just going to make sure all of this is like cooked and softened before we move on to the next step. How good does this broccoli look? Yum. Cracking it open and to the pot. So we're gonna let that simmer until half of it evaporates, and then we will add in the sauce that we made earlier. Now I'm gonna stir in our sauce. Okay, so we're gonna bring that to a boil, and then we're gonna let it bubble. It should thicken. We're gonna stir in some sesame oil, and then we're gonna put the chicken back. So, getting thick. I always know it's thick because when you run your wooden spoon like that, it should separate. It is doing that. So, I am not a professional chef by any means, but I do like cooking, so I have cooked a lot in the past. We're gonna stir in 2 teaspoons of the sesame oil, and I'm just gonna like eyeball it. And I'm just gonna drop the chicken back into the pot. That looks delicious, actually. I'm going to get my bowl ready with all my rice and everything, so we're gonna do that. Pour my rice into the bowl. Like a tiny, tiny amount, and the rest of it into this rice. This rice is like super mushy. Yikes. That was horrible, but ta-da! Looks pretty good. Obviously, not like that, but pretty good. All right, let's taste it, and I will give you guys the rundown. Can't make all of that without sharing with you guys the final product. So let's try the rice first and see how it is. There's like a little bit of the sauce from the chicken on there, so okay. Tastes a lot like sesame oil. Here's a broccoli. Broccoli's good, well seasoned. And the best part, the chicken. So I'm gonna cut off a piece and we're gonna try it. Yum. So the sauce is like really sweet. It adds a lot to the rice. Oh, I just got ginger. Yes, fully cooked. All in all, it was a success. I don't know if I would get this recipe again, but it's good for the time being. And I would recommend it if you like chicken. I don't know, it's definitely a good deal if you have all your discount codes and stuff. You can save the cards and just go out to the grocery store and buy all the same stuff and make it again. I'm gonna go eat my dinner. Thank you for keeping me company while I made this. And if you guys want more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below. This was so fun. I would love to do it again with different recipes. There's a carne asada bowl. Next week, I'm getting a marinara pasta kind of thing. So yeah, let me know and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go eat, so I love you guys and I'll see you later. Bye. Missing someone.